Hello, in this video we're going to talk about just the final step in assembling these nice little boxes. So I may send you guys one of these, and they come pre-cut and kind of pre-folded a little bit. So what you should do is end up with one of these, which are great for cubicle ornaments, for just kind of visualizing what the MeshCentral2 network management appliance would look like if it was in a real box. And of course the best is not only to make a couple of these boxes, but also to put MeshCentral on one of the small computers. You just take any computer. For example, here I have the Intel Cherry Trail. This is actually a Latte Panda computer that we bought online. Just put a nice sticker in front of it with MeshCentral, and you format this Linux. There's instructions on how to do it, and then you put MeshCentral2 on it in LAN mode, and you're done. So the video is about what do you do if I give you two of these pieces of paper and you need to assemble them. So what you do is, basically what you're going to do is assemble the front part and then cover the back part in the back of the front. So what you want to do is take these little flaps, put them on top and on the bottom of this big flap here. So you just, let's see, so you put it so that basically the big flaps are inside, the small flaps are on the outside. You just push it forward like this, and then you just line them up. Take a little piece of tape, and all you need to do is line it up so it's a 90 degrees, so that this tab just lines up with the front here, and you tape it. There you go. Do the same for this flap. So you're going to do 4 tapes, and these are not going to be visible once the box is done, but they give you structure. And you don't need much tape here, just a tiny little bit. Line it up, put the tape on, line it up, put the tape on, there you go. So now it gives you like a little boat. It's just the front and the sides of the case. And then what you do is you have to simply wrap the back in here and make sure that the top has the MeshCentral logo and the bottom has nothing on it. So then what you do is you simply take 4 pieces of tape and you put them on the corners. And I put them so that the length just wraps. So you need a little bit of skill to do this, but you just put the tape there, and there you go. So obviously it would be better if there was no tape visible at all, but this doesn't seem to be much of a problem. Doesn't distract from the box. There you go, second piece of tape. And again, you don't need much tape, but the best is to get some tape that's really sticky, because then it really stays on. You don't need to push really hard. And the last one, there you go. And usually I'll try to, if I send you guys these boxes, I'll try to send you 3 of these boxes. There you go, bam. And it look really good. You can make a nice little pyramid with them, like that. Put them on your cubicle. That's it.